All right, so let's pretend that we have no WEP access point and WPA2 is too hard to crack and takes way too long. Now we can always take advantage of the weaknesses in Windows machines. About 90% of the environments have Windows machines as part of that environment. So if you can use your social engineering skills and send a script to a user in that environment and coerce the user to run the script, or if the script is appended to an Office document, PDF or whatever, you just have to make sure that he or she executes that script. So first I will execute the script and then I will show you what's in that script. Now, since the script has been executed and done, I'm going to navigate to the C directory, and I have here a temp directory that was created by that script. All right, let's see what we have in that script. I have at echo off, make C/temp, and net shulan export profile to folder, let's see, ctemp. Okay, good. And the last one is commanded because we will use it now, not on the target machine, but on our own machine right here. All right, so as we mentioned earlier, you can include in this script an FTP setting connected to your FTP server. So let the script transfer these files, and then after that, delete the entire temp directory to clear any trace that you've been doing this. Now, after you do that, what's the benefit of this profile? Well, first of all, I'm going to open the connection here and go to the wireless and remove that connection. So we are not connected to any wireless access point at all. All right, let's edit this one and check what we have here. We have the SSID. This is the name of the access point, and some information regarding the authentication, but I can't see the key for that access point. So let's close this one. We'll keep this one. We'll need the last command. Now in this directory, well, actually in any directory on your computer, when you get this XML file, open a command line and go to netsh. And netsh, go to the wireless LAN, then type this command. All right. Now we need to replace the file name. I'm going to copy and paste this one. Then I will copy over this command without the #netshwlan. All right. If you put all of it without going first to netsh and wireless LAN, you might have some errors in the command. So it's really better to do it this way. Now you can specify an interface. If you have more than one wireless card, you can specify which user you want to add the profile for. You can type user equals current, let's say, or specify some user, or type user all. The default will add it to all users on this machine and hit enter. So the profile is added to the interface. Now let's check what happened here. Here we have it again until it scans the air again and checks the wireless. I'm going to go right here and there you go. I have the D-Link C5. Let's click on properties, go to security, and show the key. Shows us the key exactly. It's not hex, it's the actual key for the WPA or WPA2 password. Now this is a very easy way to attack an access point. It doesn't matter how hard the access point or whether they are using radius or whatever. This is the easiest and most effective way to attack wireless connectivity with just a Windows machine.
Here is a small script that we can send to a user. We'll need to use social engineering to coerce him to run the script. The script not only exports the wireless profile with netshwlan export profile folder =C:\temp, but it also opens a connection to your FTP server and copies over the XML file containing the passwords. After that, it deletes the directory where we have placed the XML.
Right, so grab the XML from your FTP and use netshwlan add profile file name equals your _new _xml _file.xml. Now to load the profile to your Windows machine, that's what you need to do. After that, you can use netshwlan show profiles to read the passwords in plain text. Now, have you noticed anything here? We didn't get only the company wireless key, but any other profile saved on that mobile computer. Got a lot.